It's about 11 o'clock on Saturday night, maybe a little later, on the 15th. Look at this. There's 5 of them in the sky doing this. Red with the line down the middle like I showed you folks the other night. It might be part of Star Wars, but it might be part of Space Force because we have Space Force on this end of the island. Here's the other one. First one I showed you, number 1, then number 2. And just up from that one. First I thought they were Starlinks, but they have the red there's the other one. It's above the second one. There it is. And then there's one just a little bit to the right of that. I don't know how I am doing this, you folks. I think it's part of Space Force. There it is. So there's 5 of them. 1 was over to my right. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is about where Space Force is, folks. I'm going to put my hand on my car so that I can stabilize this without wiggling around so much. I'm going to try and find number 1 again. Okay, there it is, right. This is weird because I can't look where I'm pointing my, this would be about this, there's 1. Okay, there it is. Wait, hang on, let me get it again. Sorry, I don't know if it'd be any easier to, there's 1. There it is. Okay, see it? Okay. There it is. Okay. See how it's blinking and then it's got lines through the middle of it? I'm not saying it's a spacecraft because it's not. I think it's a satellite that has part to do with Space Force. And I'm so grateful President Trump opened up Space Force, and I'm grateful that whoever will be handling it, but there's 5 of these. Okay, now where's the other one at? 1, 2, 1. Okay, there's 1. I'm going this, and I'm pointing in the west from Oahu. This would be way over the Pacific Ocean. Everything we get has to be shipped in. Yesterday I said I'm tired of trying to store food. I'm just tired. I have to rotate it. Nobody wants to help with it, and I don't care. Hey, that was the number 1. Number 2 looks like it. Oh, there it is. There's some clouds in the way. That's the roof of the house. Let's see. Okay. Number 2's not visible, but number 3. Wait a minute. There it is. Just barely see it. Weird thing is that the glare from my glasses and everything else wants to get in the way. Okay, no excuse. Maybe it's clouds that are coming over it. Okay. There. Oh, there. You can see that one just a little bit. It went more red. Okay, it's right above my neighbor's tree. That tree right there. So they're right above this tree. Huh. Sorry. It's right above this tree. Right there. Straight up. There. That would be number 5. There's number... Whoa. One was below the other one, so they are moving.